Good morning, students. In this video, I will share a link in the description from which you can access my handwritten notes. Now, let us start our today's topic, which is electric dipole. An electric dipole is a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by a certain distance. So, the condition is that the two charges should be of equal and opposite equal magnitude. Two charges should be of equal magnitudes and the two charges should be opposite charges. So the two charges, when we will place two charges by a certain distance, and certain distance is 2a from their center of the dipole. The midpoint O is the center of the dipole, and from their center one charge is at a distance a and other charge is at a distance a, and total distance is 2a. The molecules of water, ammonia and CO2 behaves as an electric dipole. Now next definition is electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is the product of charge and the distance between the dipole. Product of charge, either charge and the distance between the dipole, and it is denoted by P. This is the it can be represented by P vector, because dipole moment is a vector quantity and the direction of dipole moment is from negative to positive charge. And SI unit of dipole moment is Q in coulomb and distance in meter. So SI unit of coulomb, electric dipole moment is coulomb meter. Now from these are the definitions of electric dipole and dipole moment. We can find electric field due to a electric dipole. There are two cases how we can find electric field due to a dipole. Two cases are: number one, on axial line, mean on axis. Number two, on perpendicular bisector of dipole, means equatorial line. Electric field at a point on the axial line of electric dipole can be determined also. On the axial line means on a straight line, or on a perpendicular line, equatorial line, can be also determined due to a dipole. So first one we will do electric field at a point on the axial line of electric dipole. Now electric field at a point on the axial line of electric dipole. First we will consider at a point P, consider a point P on the axial line of electric dipole. Dipole means charge minus Q and plus Q separated by a distance 2a. Minus Q and plus Q, charge minus Q and plus Q separated by a distance 2a. This is the point A. Consider this is point B. A, B. Minus Q and plus Q charge separated by distance 2a, and from their center, this is the distance A from their origin O. Let P be a point from at which we have to determine the electric field. At this point we have to determine the electric field, and the distance from origin O, to point P, distance is R. The distance between O and P is R. देखो ये distance O से लेके P तक R है, ये distance between them is 2a. Then distance from this charge plus Q to point P, कितना रह जाएगा distance? This is total charge R, this is A, then distance between them is R minus A. And distance between this point to this point is, this point to this point, A to P, is R plus A. पहले इस चीज़ को अच्छे ढंग से समझ लो. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दैम इज़ 2a, और रीजन से इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस a और a है, और रीजन टू p जहाँ पे मुझे एक सेंट्रल पॉइंट से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ पॉइंट ऑन द एक्सियल लाइन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ डिस्टेंस r फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द डाइपोल. सेंटर से मुझे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है एट पॉइंट P फाइंड मान लिया मैंने, इस पॉइंट P पे मुझे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करना है, तो उस डिस्टेंस को मान लिया r. So from this charge to this point P the distance will r minus a, and from minus q charge to plus at point P the distance will be r plus a. So the electric field due to minus q charge will be, direction of electric field is toward the charge, and direction of electric field due to plus q charge is away from the charge. It means direction जो है opposite to each other, and now we have to find the net electric field. First we will find the electric field due to charge minus q at point P. Electric field E minus q at point P is, it means electric field due to charge minus q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. A to P तक का डिस्टेंस है, और A to P तक का डिस्टेंस हमारे पास क्या है, r प्लस a. एज अकॉर्डिंग टू, हमने इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में डेफिनेशन में पढ़ा है, द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डिपेंड्स ओनली ऑन वन चार्ज. तो सिर्फ वन सिंगल चार्ज के लिए हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू माइनस क्यू चार्ज इज 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट q अपॉन r स्क्वायर, एंड हियर r इज r प्लस a स्क्वायर, एंड फील्ड इज अलोंग PBA. फील्ड इज अलोंग PBA क्योंकि इनवर्ड जा रहा है, फील्ड इधर की तरफ है इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. सो यहाँ पे लिख देंगे फील्ड इज अलोंग PBA. नाउ वी विल फाइंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज प्लस q. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू चार्ज प्लस q इज 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट q अपॉन प्लस q चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इस पॉइंट पे डिटर्मिन करना है. इट मीन डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दीज टू पॉइंट इज r माइनस a. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बिकम q अपॉन r माइनस a स्क्वायर, एंड डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज अलोंग a b p. आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन है, सो फील्ड इज अलोंग a b p. As electric field due to both charges are in opposite direction, means direction of electric field is toward the charge and direction of electric field is away from the charge. It means the net electric field will be E2 minus E1. The net electric field will be E2 minus E1. So we will find the net electric field is equal to E plus Q minus E minus Q. Electric field E2 is greater than E1, so we will write E2 minus E1. E2 is greater because it is near to point P, plus Q charge is near to point P, and minus Q charge is farther apart from point P. So the electric field is weak due to this point charge as comparison to this point. So E2 is greater than E1, so net electric field will become E2 minus E1. So the net electric field is E2 E plus Q minus E minus Q. नेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड प्लस क्यू चार्ज के कारण बढ़ा है, इसलिए मैंने प्लस क्यू इधर रखा है और फिर उसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है माइनस क्यू वाले पॉइंट को. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू प्लस क्यू पॉइंट 1 अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट क्यू अपॉन r माइनस a स्क्वायर, एंड ड्यू टू दिस 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r plus a square. Now put the values of electric field. Then net electric field, this is the common term, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q is also common. Now inside the bracket there is 1 upon r minus a square, 1 upon r plus a square. Now we will solve this term. R plus a square minus r minus a square upon r a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square minus b square whole square. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is the common term. Then here we will apply formula of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. And then we will open this bracket, r square plus a square plus 2ra minus r square minus a square minus plus 2ra. Then r square minus a square whole square. These terms will cancel each other and this will become q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2ra 4ra divide r square minus a square whole square. This is the net electric field and this can also be written in the form of q 4r 2r into 2a. 4 को मैंने 2 के साथ 2 में डिवाइड कर दिया, 2r इंटू 2a 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट. इसको मैंने प्रोडक्ट में लिख दिया 2r इंटू 2r. q इंटू 2a इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मोमेंट. We have learned the definition of electric dipole moment. It is the product of either charge multiply the distance. Then it will become net electric field will become P2 P R 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square whole square. And the direction of net electric field is along dipole moment, and dipole moment, direction of dipole moment is from negative to positive charge. Means direction of electric dipole moment is from negative to positive charge. It means direction of electric field is along A, B, P. Now the one special case arises if when dipole is of very small length. When dipole is of very small length. If dipole is of very small length, it means distance between these points is very small. So, in this case, if dipole is of small length, then we can neglect a square because a is less than r. Then the net electric field will become 2pr 4 pi epsilon naught r square minus a square whole square. A square can be neglected, then 2pr 4 pi epsilon naught r raised to power 4, and it will become 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. This is the net electric field when dipole is of very small length. So students, in next class we will learn the electric field, the second case, electric field due to dipole on equatorial line of electric dipole.